2021, what a year it has been. Another lockdown, waiting for things to change, vaccines to be booked. Very different year, but how has it been in photography?
If you like my video guys, give me a big thumbs up and hit the subscribe button. And now enjoy the video.
Hey guys, I'm Sonika. Welcome to my channel and welcome to the new year 2022. I wanna wish you all a happy new year in advance guys. I hope that you are safe, healthy and happy wherever you are. When it comes to photography, last year I didn't do a lot of outdoor photography. Most of my photography was indoors because of the lockdowns and the pandemic. So I got to do a lot of product photography, portrait photography and food photography at home. I was finally able to try something there. Let me show you my 5 best photos that I clicked last year. Let's begin. Another year when I could not celebrate my festivals of Ganesh Chaturthi and Navratri normally outside, photographing with my friends, celebrating. But the photography should not stop. So I clicked some flat lays at home only. And this flat lay I clicked for Navratri. I'm really fond of it. It's simple and sweet. Just a dandiya I had at home, some flowers and a photo of Ma Durga. Product photography at home, I must have clicked almost every product I have at home, and I must admit most of my images are not up to the mark. They may not be well lit, they're not sharp, all that is happening, I'm learning. But one image I'm proud of is this composition of Spins Deo. Here also I got highlights on the product, but I was able to mask it out in Photoshop and it looks cool. I wanted to start with portrait photography, but since I was at home, the only subject and model I could find was me. So I put my camera on my tripod and started taking self-portraits. I invested in a 80cm octagon softbox by Godox so that I could improve the quality of my light. My best portrait according to me so far is this one with me posing with some jewelry. It's got that bridal girl look. I've used just one light source here, my softbox to the left side. I did some miniature photography at home. I was able to compose this Christmas scene with my toy friend Guppy. I used matchboxes as gifts. I stitched this little red hat for Guppy by cutting an old t-shirt, and I made this Christmas tree, punched red and green holes on some newspaper and pasted them on a white paper sheet. And on number 1 is my picture of a red-vented bulbul eating some fruit. I clicked this from my window guys. Like I told you, I did not go outside for photography last year, especially for bird photography. All my bird photography I did from home, from my window. And there's a jamun tree right outside my window guys. And it was fruiting. And when it was fruiting, obviously it attracted a lot of birds. So I waited for many days for a bird to come there and give me a shot with it eating fruit. Give me a sharp shot with it eating fruit, and that finally happened. I hope 2022 is a normal year for all of us and we're able to go to work, go travel, meet our friends normally without any restrictions and danger. And wish you a very happy new year guys. Hope you are safe, happy, healthy. And that's all I wish for you this year. That's what matters. And you take lots of photos and make lots of videos, keep improving and growing. And when it comes to the channel in 2022, nothing is gonna change. You're still gonna get one video every week on Wednesday, like I promised, related to photography and targeting more of people who are entering into photography with an entry-level camera or a point-and-shoot camera or even mobile phone camera, you can still apply my tips and tricks. So what I'm gonna do is, all this while I've always uploaded videos about nature photography or street photography. But this time, since I have practiced a little bit about portrait, food and product photography, I'll give you some tutorials about that this year. So this is going to be more of commercial photography, and I'm also a graphic designer by profession. Most of you may know that. So I'm going to upload a little bit of graphic design tutorials too. Because if you are a photographer, having a little bit knowledge of graphic design will really help you guys in your career. So I hope you enjoy my videos in 2022. So guys, if you like my video, give me a big thumbs up and leave a comment down below about what are your plans for the new year. Share this video with your friends and don't forget to hit the subscribe button. Also turn on the bell icon to be notified whenever I post new videos. Here is my previous photography tutorial. Please do check it out guys. Thank you so much for watching. Stay tuned for more such videos every Wednesday on my channel. Bye. Happy New Year again.